The arm pull when you are on the street. People want to see the arm pull. They want to see that scene from Sleep. And when you make the people around, they become more hypnotized. Then it's better for us to learn it safely. Now, I no longer do the arm pull of fright of shock with someone who, I don't know if she enters in trance of safe way. Marcos, come here quickly. Marcos, can you be hypnotized now? Take off the glasses now. Can you be hypnotized now? Sleep. Deeper, deeper. Is sinking, relaxing. And do you remember a goal? That will be carried out today. After you open your eyes, little by little it is coming back. 10, 9, 8, 7. Feeling very good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, wide awake. Applause for him, very well. You can sit down. Why I was able to do it? This shock arm pull of fright. Because I know that his body is adapted to enter a trance. Now, what is the problem with the arm pull? The problem with the arm pull is that I don't know how the subject will enter a trance. So you run the risk of, if you are looking on the internet, look there, hypnosis failed. There are several people who fall on the ground. They hit their forehead on the iron. They fall to their knees on the ground, break their knee, break their leg. So we don't want that. The arm pull will stay, visually less interesting, but it will be safer. So when I did it now with Marcos, you notice that Marcos stood up safely because I had already given him prior instruction to stand safely. Now, you do not need to take the risk. I think it's needless to take the risk of doing this to someone. So I want to show how we do it on the street, how it works. Hi, Bruno. Want to enter a trance? For coming here, take my hand. That's it. Relax, relax. Relax. No, you can let it go. That relaxes the hand. Look at me. At some point I will say the word sleep. And when I say the word sleep, you will simply close your eyes and let the chin drop and relax completely. You will remain standing, well balanced. Your feet will stay firm on the ground and you will focus this sleep. Very deep, well relaxed. Very deep. 1, 2, 3, wide awake. Well awake, feeling good? Applause, you can sit down. Notice that the rapid induction, instantaneous. This shock induction, that has only a slight shock, a slight scare. Ritualistic, so it is very common in hypnosis show or in a hypnosis course. Someone comes, does an arm pull. So unexpected because people know hypnosis. People have already seen things about hypnosis. They know they act, but some people, they do not know, may hit their knee on the ground. What we do, back Bruno, you will take the subject's hand. That's when you actually grab the hand. There are a lot of people who just do it like this. Look, the guy won't be able to concentrate. Can't be able to concentrate. This arm pull, it is to calibrate the strength of the subject. For example, will you give your hand, how are you? Relax the hand, because when he is going to take my hand, he has tendency to want to keep the hand stiff. There's nothing worse. When you shake hands with a limp hand, that hand feeling uncomfortable. So in fact, you want that limp hand? Now I want the floppy hand. So I hold it, and when it gets the way I want, that's it. With the hand nice and relaxed. I gently place my hand here behind him and say, you will look directly into my eyes and become very relaxed. At some point, I will say the word sleep, and you will simply close your eyes. Lower the chin and relax deeply. Next, you will discuss the safety procedure. Your feet will remain well balanced on the ground, because there are people who have a deep calm so that their reflexes won't work. And he will fall to the ground, and that is not it. And another detail, this arm pull, this shock, he is very delicate. Look at me, in the eyes, this. Sleep now. Sometimes I scream, wide awake, wide awake. You can sit. Sometimes I scream, I shout to scare the guy. And this scream, the impression on YouTube that the business is violent. There are people who will perform this induction in the street who seem to be preparing to fight. James Tripp even jokes that it looks like the guy is already getting ready to pull and then throw a knee and break subject's tooth. Then always install a procedure of safety. Break subject's hand to see if he is relaxed. Are you relaxed? Great. Will not move anymore. Keep calibrated. And already places the hand behind the neck. Because if I tell the subject I'm going to touch the neck, let's suppose, relax, look here, I will say sleep. Then the subject goes, strange, your hand back here, right? Your hand is already there. Your hand is there. I look at the subject. Yes, you will notice frequently that the subjects will go glassy-eyed, the eyes, and they will already be hypnotized by your gaze. You see that he's mesmerized, right? Sleep. The guy is going to lower his head, will relax, and will enter a trance quickly.